Dealing with a BMW Fault Code P1632, this code typically points to an issue with the throttle body control, often related to the throttle adaptation values. But don't worry, it's usually something you can fix at home. First, let's understand the cause. The P1632 error is often triggered when the throttle body isn't communicating correctly with the engine's control unit. It could be due to carbon buildup in the throttle body, a loose connection, or sometimes just a simple software glitch. Here's a quick step-by-step to fix it. Start by disconnecting the car battery for about 10 minutes. This will reset the throttle control system. After reconnecting, turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Slowly press the accelerator pedal all the way down and then release it. This helps recalibrate the throttle position sensor. Finally, start the engine. If the code persists, you might need to clean the throttle body with a proper cleaner or consult a mechanic if there are any deeper issues. And that's it. Most of the time, this simple reset will clear the P1632 code. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your BMW running smoothly.